Alright, this building's like South 48 something. Let's see what we have. Some kind of JL. Huh. I wonder what this is. This stupidly weird call station. Here it is. Does that work? No. New interior. It is Payton. That's a new one. Guess that's the close button. Alright, here we go. Those bells outside cost too many red flags. Not gonna take too many rides on this. Thing. Not going anywhere. I guess that's the close button, I don't know. Never heard of this brand, Payton. Look at that little COP. It's got an ADA phone on it. Yeah, the bell rings as the elevator passes the floor, so I'm not gonna take 2 rides on this. That's really overkill and obnoxious. I like the wood door. Interesting little elevator. Here it goes, and that's it.